What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Typical Taris, and today I'm gonna do a different type of video. All my videos are different, actually, now that I think about it. But anyways, today, yes, y'all see how I'm looking. I know, let's just dwell on this. This is literal. I woke up like this. Like, you can hear it in my voice, sis. Like, this is straight out the bed. I'm going to transform for y'all, and I want y'all to come along and just kind of get ready with me. Yeah, I've been sleeping without a scarf the past couple days because my scarf is really silky, and so it just been slipping off lately because my hair, I don't know, I guess my hair is too slick for it right now, so that's been going on with me. I'm not going anywhere. I might go get some food later, but I might go get some food later, but I really don't know. Just because, you know, Corona and stuff. I'm gonna do my hair, maybe some makeup. I'm gonna get dressed, and then I guess I'll see what's the move after that. Probably just gonna be doing my homework today, editing some more videos for y'all, and yeah. Hold on. Hey, Maya.
Girl, you look rough.
Girl, I'm doing a video right now, a transformation video. Say hey.
Oh, okay. I'm like, hey.
I know, you know, I don't be doing that like that. But yeah, what y'all up to? Okay, yeah, that was my god sister. Love her. Don't you just love those honest friends that tell you when you looking rough? Tell me. Don't beat around the bush. Don't do that. But anyway, that was my god sister and my goddaughter. My closet is like a hot mess. I be trying to organize and stuff. Those like some pants, purse, shoes on this side. Got a little organization going on. Please don't mind my mess. But what should we wear today, y'all? What should I wear? Not we. This is not a group effort. I'm really thinking it depends on how I'm wearing my hair, low key. So I do have an outfit. It's something slight. It's just leggings and a t-shirt. Nothing really major, but something that if I have to run out and you know, get some food or something, I can do that. These leggings though, I got from Shein, right? If you have not, go check out my Shein clothing haul and my little what did I call it? It was a try on. Yeah, try on haul. So yeah, look at these. These have holes on the side of them, which they're technically, in my opinion, made for summer. But listen, I'm in Michigan. You don't know when summer gonna be. Okay, so I'm cooking a little breakfast. Some potatoes, some bell pepper, and a little bit of onion. I wasn't about to cut up no onion. These are my last frozen ones. Some eggs, some sausage, some toast. I use this kind of bread. It makes me feel healthy. Today feel kind of weird. Like, I got a late start. Woke up at like 11 something. It's only like an hour different than when I actually wake up. This is what y'all can't see. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So here is the final product. Brunch or whatever. With some potatoes, sausage, bell peppers, and onions. A little cheese omelet and some toast. What's up, y'all? It is like a couple hours later, like a long time later actually, but I just uploaded a video. It is my top 6 things that you should know before becoming a YouTuber. Sorry. So if you have not seen that yet, go check that out. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm hungry and I think I'm about to go get some food. I don't know what I'm about to do actually. I might not go anywhere. I don't know. I'm actually probably not going to. The more I think about it, the more I want to say. Actually, no, because I need some drink. Something to drink. But here's my hair. It's really not anything to look at. It's just something I threw together so I don't be looking like this. So, my eyebrows are just so disturbing. I don't even want to bother them, you know. So yeah, I think I'm about to at least go get something to drink or something. I don't know. Maybe not. What's up, y'all? How do my makeup look? This is just a makeup check. Please don't mind my lashes. I'm not the best. This one is better. Yeah. I feel like I look a mess, honestly. Like, I put makeup on just to come to Walmart. That's how bad this quarantine is. Like, it's terrible. But some things are trying to annoy me and trying to, you know, disrespect me right now, my life, my whole vibe, but I refuse to let that happen. So with that being said, I'm at Walmart right now and I'm about to run in here to get some supplies. As y'all saw me talk about that yesterday. So I'm about to run in here, go home and chill, get started on my homework that's due tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera in there just because it's too much for me right now. Too much to focus on. I gotta focus on being safe, not touching too much stuff. Like, it's really too much to vlog. So if anything interesting happens, I'll notate it and let y'all know. Okay, so what's up, y'all? I'm back from the store. I'm at home now. I'm just, let's see, I got a notification. So yeah, got back from the store. I just got like some drinks because I'm just so thirsty, and I got some water already, so I didn't need no water. I just needed like some beverages. And yeah, I was gonna get some wine, but I was like, girl, you don't even need no wine, and why do you want to drink by yourself? Like, I really don't want to. So anyways, I got some stuff, but I'm going to sanitize it before I show y'all. So I'm about to do that so that I'm not wiping it down. I'm literally just spraying it and just letting it do its thing. So I'm about to do that for the rest of this stuff that I got. And then I probably won't show y'all. I mean, I just got like a thing of Capri Sun, some juice. I got like some drinks. Somebody probably thought I was shopping for my kids. Got a whole bunch of little spiders drinks, but I'm trying to stop drinking pop. I've been drinking a lot more water, so we're actually doing fairly well. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I'm about to start procrastinating on my homework. You know, if I start procrastinating sooner, then I can get to the work sooner. So yeah, I'm about to do that. See y'all in a minute. Matter of fact, no, I'm about to end this video. That's really why I came over here. I'm about to end this vlog. Yeah, I'm just gonna do my homework now. There's not really much to do today. I'll probably edit this video today so that y'all can see it today, hopefully. If y'all see it today, I don't know, y'all probably won't see it today because I do have homework due. And I want to get that out the way, so I need to, we'll see, we'll play it by ear. Still early in the day, it's about 4 o'clock now, so we'll play it by ear. I had a question, but I don't think I'm gonna put it out here on my channel. I'm gonna just I don't want to start no drama. So, all right, y'all. Thanks for watching this vlog. My hair. Oh, I feel like I got something on my lip. Or is it just the? It's probably just the lip stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair. Got my stuff. Got some hair stuff. I'm gonna show y'all in the next video. I'm gonna show y'all in the next video what all I got. I got some new stuff and some, you know, old faithfuls. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.
Girl, you look rough.